Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change emojis on Android. Changing emojis on Android can be done in several ways depending on your phone model, operating system, and preferences. Here are the main methods. Change the keyboard app. Some third-party keyboard apps offer different emoji styles. Now, open Google Play Store and download the keyboard app from the Play Store. Tap on Open, then hit Select Input Method. Choose the language with Gboard, for example, English. Now go to Emojis, Stickers, and GIFs. Here, enable Emoji, Fast Access, Row Emojis, and Symbols keyboard, then toggle on Emojis and Stickers on these suggestions while typing. Now, to make sure it's configured, open Settings, System, or General Management on Samsung, go to Keyboard List and Default, then toggle on Gboard and hit OK to confirm, and on Default Keyboard, toggle Gboard. Now go to your Message app or some apps you can type on. As you can see, this is the emoji before, and you can change this to this. And that's it. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.